2026 and you are still struggling, you don't know how to install your hair by yourself, you see the pay to install your flaunter. Anyway, today we are going to install this PC coil. Can you see it? 5x5. We are going to install this 5x5. If you know, so you don't know how to install hair, just softly. If you won't buy wig, buy 5x5. Don't put yourself for stress. See, fast 5x5, very easy to maintain them. So anyway, how about we install this hair together? 5x5. Shameless girl, you never know how to install 5x5. Anyway, don't worry, I will teach you. So before we start, we brush your front hair. Let me show you. Brush your front hair properly. If you get gel, carry your gel. Arrange your front hair to avoid any cutting. Before you go carry the glue, go apply it on the front of your hair. Then you can't say now one girl like this. Now you show how to install hair for TikTok or Facebook. Anyway, let me show you. 2026, you see the carry money where you use now. They chop, go to install flaunter. Even celebrity now, they install hair by themselves. You always say me and you see the struggle. You see the carry, we don't carry money give. After you apply your gel, take your blush, any blush where you get. If you want to, you can use that your blush where they use to brush your teeth. I'll send you. Oh yeah, draw your front hair. Inside, draw inside, 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 very, very well. Let her go inside. Inside, arrange her properly. See? Inside, and inside. If you want to not watch the video to the end, not watch the video finish. Make her like this. Make sure say you do and say where you dry properly. Don't you dry at the dry and use your hand like this. So drag the hair, go back. Say where the hair dry. You go back up. You see my edges, you go back. Everything set. Don't go to wear your wig with that cap. See, I get my own cap. The hair comes with a cap. Let me open it. Let me get my teeth. I use my teeth to open it. Anyway, today we dey fight. See, I can't do this. Put your hair inside. And you get big hair. Anyway, I don't like to glue my cap because I love to clash my hair sometimes. So I don't like to glue my cap, like to gum the cap on my scalp. So this is how it look like. You see shameless girl. See
A melody that never ends. So every shadow paints your face in the quiet of this endless space. You are my moonlit silhouette.
Just a very make sure you arrange it.
Every heartbeat says your name in this dream.
I'm going to use my glue because I want to make this hair just stay at least 1 week. 1 week. Look at this hair so for 1 week. So you apply the glue so
you are my silhouette. Love I can't unthread.
Tell me not to drag the wig. Drag away. No, I drag away. Wait, spoil your phone to this night.
What's actually done need a truce, time bends, but love's a straight line. I'll meet you in every lifetime.
Throws out roof, take time, you know. Anyway, make sure you try it. Time, say, wear your hair, not the thing, just And you always say, don't forget your problem for 15 minutes. Say, carry money, go give somebody, may help you install your wig. So wait small. I'll be back later. I'll show you guys.
Dusty boots and blistered hands, sifting hope the river sand. All that glow.
Another 15 minutes wait.
Dusty boots and blistered hands, sifting hope the river sand. All that glowed in noonday light. Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me, trying to forget, but things just remind me. There's a million things I could say, but you never really knew that, but you never really knew I felt this way. Wanna take it back to a week. Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep falling in this darkness. Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me, trying to forget. Lanterns sway in the midnight sky, flickers of gold where dreams reside. The wind whispers your name again, a melody that never ends. Every shadow paints your face in the quiet of this endless space. You are my moonlit silhouette, a love I can unthread. Every heartbeat says your name in this dream. We stay the same. 星光洒满你的美，如水流过。
Nails check, eyelashes check, face braid